Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So, as you know, due to this pandemic, we need to take online lectures and stay at home. So, from today, we will start our academic year. So, I hope everyone gets to know about our situation and cooperates with me and every other teacher. So, let us continue. So, today we will start with our lesson. Who is this Hardik? Hello, who is this Hardik Pandya? Beta, please change your name to original name. Who is this
Hello,
Hardik
sir.
Pandya?
Good morning.
Yes, beta, please change your name to original one. Your name is displaying as Hardik Pandya. Please change it. Can someone tell me how to remove him?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes.
Sir, first click manage participants in the host control and then it
Okay.
will display the participant list.
Okay.
Over one participant, a new option will appear. Just check it.
Okay.
Then click on the remove option.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. He has been removed. He must been something problem. So let us continue with our lecture.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hey, what was it today during the lecture?
I think the random person or someone from our class said their name.
It was very fun. I liked it personally. We should do it sometimes.
Guys, it was me, all alone.
How did you do it?
I know. Just changing. If any one of you will do it, then I am in too.
I'll also join like that.
Guys, it will be fun, but I don't think so we should do it as it's new to everyone.
Good morning, children. So today we are going to continue from where we left. So the topic was displacement reaction. So as we saw in the beginning of this chapter that on adding zinc dust to blue colored copper sulfate solution, a colorless solution of zinc sulfate is formed and heat is generated. See the equation 3. So we'll see that later. Now let us go on to this the definition. The reaction in which the place of the ion of a less reactive element
anything at all, anything they want.
Is taken when the more reactive element
As a
formation.
chihuahua, a T-seller.
What is this? Hello, what is this? Somebody
what he was
tell me. Beta, mute yourself. I think
Prime
your TV is
Minister
on.
Modi, you are not just the pride of Gujarat. You are living proof that with hard work and devotion, Indians can accomplish anything at all, anything they want.
Hello, please mute yourself, beta. Okay, thank you. So let us continue. Somebody give me the definition of displacement reaction. Anyone?
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible? Hello. Am I audible? Sir, can you hear me? Sir.
Who is this Sheldon?
Arey, yes, you are audible. Speak.
And who is this Phoebe?
Sir, can I? May I tell the answer?
Who is Martha? Now, why has everybody changed their names? From tomorrow, I shall not see this behavior. If anyone has changed their name from tomorrow, I am going to cancel this lecture. Do you understand? I take that as a yes.
Today's lecture was so cool. It was totally awesome.
How do you guys pull off stuff like this?
It's natural talent, bro.
I think we all should do this tomorrow. I will join too.
Instead of doing this over and over again, we can do something more amusing.
Hello, good morning, students. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. So, yesterday we left off here and I'm going to continue. So, endothermic and exothermic processes. Heat from outside is absorbed during some physical changes. For example, melting of ice, dissolution of potassium nitrate in water. Therefore, these are endothermic processes. On the other hand, heat is given away during some physical changes. For example, what is this? What is this nonsense? Why is everybody typing Binod? Why is everyone typing Binod? And who is playing this noise in the background? Shut this nonsense. Hello. Can someone tell me how to shut this all messages and noises? Why is everybody typing Binod? Binod OP. What?
Try pressing Alt plus F4, sir.
Okay, Alt plus F4. Alt F4.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, today the meeting closed abruptly. I think there is something wrong with my computer. Can you tell me what it might be?
Sir, actually it was one of the students that told you to press Alt plus F4. It closes the meeting.
That's absurd. But sorry to disturb you. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi
Hello.
everyone.
Hello everyone. No. It was fun today. We should continue doing tricks like this.
I was Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia.
I and Ishita were the ones spamming the messages.
Yeah, it was totally fun today.
I think tomorrow we should not attend the lecture. Let's take a holiday.
Yes, we are majority of our class. If you won't attend the lecture, then hardly 1 or 2 will be present.
Yes, Atharo. And sir will eventually cancel lecture.
Guys, it was fun for a while. We are crossing the limits.
Hello. Where is everyone? The meeting was supposed.
Sir, they decided to bunk the lecture, but I told them not to. Yet I guess they did it anyways.
Why do they keep doing this? I don't understand. I'm trying so hard. Still, they are not concentrating. Beta Harshali, you leave. Today's lecture is cancelled. You leave.
Okay.
You leave.
Hey everyone.
Hello.
Hey everyone. Hello. So why is call today?
Hello.
Hey guys, I didn't call you just to plan for tomorrow. Whatever you have done to our sir isn't convincing to me. Don't you feel a bit ashamed after doing all these things to our sir?
Yeah, I agree.
Don't you know the importance of teachers? It was taught us many times, yet you never seem to learn. I hope you understand the impact of your actions on our sir and stop this.
Thank you, Arshali, for making us realize our mistake. From tomorrow itself, we will stop doing this.
I wonder what they will pull off today. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Today everyone is with their normal names. So let us continue where we stopped. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.